First thing you do every time is look for hazards, right? What are the hazards? What are the things that are there that could potentially hurt me or hurt one of my employees, or that could ultimately lead to injury or another person being hurt? So the first thing you do is look for hazards. Now, whether above ground, when you're dealing with trees, there are a lot of hazards above ground, particularly there are a lot of electrical hazards above ground. So when you're looking at a tree, the first thing you look for is, are there wires in or near the tree? Determine if there's an electrical hazard, step one. And the same is true below ground. The problem is that below ground, you can't necessarily see what's there, but you got it one way or the other. You got to find out if there's an electrical hazard, underneath the tree or in the zone where you'll be working. We work a lot on construction sites, big construction companies, and they got all these things and these safety meetings, and you got to create this site plan, how we're going to stay safe on the job site, and of course we roll our eyes at it because it's a lot of extra paperwork. I will say this: there is no downside to constantly talking about, thinking about, discussing, making plans for safety. There's no downside to that. It's irritating. We don't want to do it. We think it's stupid. I get that. And I'm right in there. I don't want to fill out 5 more forms either. But a lot of the point of that is just to get us to stop, slow down, think about it, and make sure that we look out for hazards and that we are intentionally safe.